I wanted to get this video out to you all pretty quickly, mainly because I'm so keen to open this box. Gadget, power supply, power connectors, and we're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you did. For those of you who aren't aware of what's going on in the world right now, you might have instead noticed that video streaming equipment is pretty much sold out worldwide right now. Worldwide. And for those of you who want to put out professional content, and by that I mean not using a built-in webcam on your laptop that gives everyone a clear view up your nose. No, I'm talking connecting a professional DSLR or mirrorless camera, maybe setting up some good lighting, a good mic for audio, and either using this for your Zoom meetings or perhaps your LinkedIn or Facebook Lives. And pre-pandemic, my go-to was this. Actually, I don't have this anymore, so imagine I'm holding one. It's an Elgato Camlink 4K, which I sold on eBay when I realised that by selling the 3 Camlinks I owned, it could cover the cost of buying this one device. Why did I have 3 of them? Well, the Camlink works as a clever stick that converts a HDMI cable into a USB connection and essentially takes a HDMI feed from, say, a camera and presents it to your computer as a webcam. I had 3 of them so we could connect up to 3 devices. That could be 3 cameras or 2 cameras and a laptop. And we use it for live streaming interviews, podcasts on our social platforms and a whole load of other things. And it worked fairly well, but we ran into issues fairly often. OBS, the free streaming software we would use, would often introduce new bugs with every update. And we find issues like cameras would freeze midstream or the audio would go out of sync. It's a tough job to manage. Combine all of this with needing a good enough PC or Mac to connect all of this into and run the streaming software, and it was quite a thing to keep everything running smoothly. Introducing the ATEM Mini Pro, which replaces all of that with one single box. This thing lets you hook in up to 4 HDMI sources. It sorts out differing frame rates and any audio sync issues internally. It doesn't need to be even connected to a PC, as it can stream directly from the network port on the back of this thing, and you can switch inputs by these clear buttons, and you can even record direct to an external USB drive from this built-in USB-C port. With all that said, you can still connect this to your computer and use it just like a webcam interface, just like the Elgatos, and still use OBS if you wish to. Now, these are also currently impossible to get hold of, just like the Elgato, but I'll leave a link in the description below where you can order yours from, as by the time this video actually goes out, there should be way more stock flowing to suppliers, because this is a newly released product. It's not something that is in high demand and people are trying to get their hands on. This is just a brand new product that's only just released by Blackmagic. But in my opinion, £650 for this, compared to what is currently £200 to £250 a pop for a single HDMI Camlink without any of the extra features, makes this a no-brainer for me. What's more exciting, I guess, if 650 sounds very expensive, is you can buy the non-pro version of this for just £290, which still lets you switch between the 4 inputs, 4 multiple inputs, and many of the other features. You just need to run it through your computer still, as you can't stream direct. But that's still a steal when you compare the cost of 4 of the separate Camlinks. So if you're thinking about upping your game with your live streams, then for business, my go-to would now be this instead of the Elgato, which was actually designed more for gaming, but since it's pretty much the only device that did what I needed, it's all we had. Until now. Anyway, quick one this week. Thanks for watching. As always, like, subscribe, all of the stuff. I must play this one. Talk to you in the next one. Bye-bye.